Ryuga! I reign over this world as the strongest, the Dragon Emperor himself! Ultimate move! Dragon Emperor Life Destructor!
Ready, 3, 2, 1.
Never give up! Never
Ring out. Finish. Hello guys, welcome to Ram Hobbies, and today it's unboxing time. So today we're going to unbox this L-Drago Destroy FS. Wait, oh no, I mean this one. Okay, so we're going to unbox this Takara Tomy BB108 L-Drago Destroy FS. So this is a 4D system. This is the latest Takara Tomy product. Yes, this is the latest. This is newer than Jet Wyvern or Wyvern.
This one.
Yes, these are the best Beyblades of them all. Anyway, let's look at the box first. So here are the parts. So part 1, part 2, part 3, part number 4. That's why it's called 4D. 4-wheel drive. Yes, this is a Tamiya 4-wheel drive. Oh, I think there's a 2 modes here. Oh, what's this? Sard the Pac-Man. Okay. So there you go. There are instruction here in Japanese. Parts gimmick. Okay, there you go. So now you know the content and oh, who's the owner of this one? This is Ryuga Shiroshagi. Okay.
Can you see my?
By the way, we're using cutter and scissors. Really, don't use umbrella here. We're inside our bedroom. Anyway, we're using cutter and scissors, so they are extremely dangerous. So when using any sharp objects, make sure you have your parents with you or you have an adult supervision. No, this is fine. Let's open it now. So without further ado, 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Okay, so this one have a launcher, string launcher like this one. This is from, I think, I don't remember. We have launcher from Metal Fight Beyblades or Metal Masters. To be honest, I don't know the details of these Metal Beyblades because we started playing Beyblade on Burst season. Beyblade Burst. Yes, that's right. So we have 2 Metal Beyblades here. I think we still have 2 in our storage, but it's very deep in our storage, so we'll just... Oh, it's really heavy! Oh man, it also looks very cool. Color black metal. So I'm guessing this is a Gundanium alloy. The same metal used in Gundams. Yeah, that's right. You heard me right. This is a very strong, durable metal material. So here is the stickers. So I'm not sure why they have 2. Maybe the one is if you destroy the other stickers, and also the stickers doesn't feel good because maybe this is very old already. Let's look at the instruction in Japanese. So there you go. Instruction in Japanese. Don't do this. Don't do... Oh! He actually uppercut his opponent. Look. I think that's a move from Street Fighter. He actually used an uppercut. Maybe he lost and
I want to see the uppercut.
Yeah, there you go. Look. See? Don't do that, guys. That's very uncool.
What is that?
Be sport if you lose the battle. And just congratulate your opponent and make sure to do better next time. You actually punched his opponent here. Look. That's not cool, bro.
Yeah.
Okay.
One extremely dangerous.
The instruction is almost faded because this was released 10,000 years ago. So, okay. So let's look at the parts.
You say it's
Oh,
okay.
man. This is really cool. I'll be honest with you. We hope that they remake a metal Beyblades soon. I mean big metal Beyblade, just like the limit break system or the sparking Beyblades.
Daddy, can I put it here or?
Yeah, sure. Put the stickers. No problem.
Which one is the forward?
Just stick the stickers.
Any direction.
Yeah, any direction. It doesn't matter. Okay, wow, the color of this one is really good. By the way, guys, we might have
no stickers at all.
we might have some issue putting the Beyblades together because you know we're noob, beginner.
But I'm a pro.
Yeah, my son is proer than me. Oh, I think this one is actually easier to put.
Can I even try?
Yeah.
I want to try.
Hold on. Is this left spin or right spin? Oh,
Right spin.
hold on, focusing is perfect.
Perfect.
Go. Oh, this is left spin. Wow, it actually looks very good. There you go, guys. Oh, hold on. This is a very professional unboxing video. We're more professional than BEYBLADEGEEKS. OMGBG, let's do some battles. We're going to win between these two epic Beyblades. This one is from Ryuga Shirashagi, and this one is from, what's the name of the owner of this one? Ginka de la Hoya. Okay, let's do some battles.
Crunch and mash.
Okay guys, we will battle L-Drago Destroy with Storm Pegasus, and we will use this very small stadium. So it will be directly proportional to the size of the Beyblade.
You mean big stadium?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Metal. Bye. There you go.
Final episode of
By the way guys, we will just do 10,000 battles with these two Beyblades.
what? 10,000 battles? I'm going to be all 10 and we're
Hold
going
on.
to die.
There's, oh man, the hits, they're so epic.
They're just quiet. Seriously?
Okay, again, ready? 3, 2, 1.
1.
Ring out finish. Oh man, that was epic. Give me my Storm Pegasus.
Wow, it's just circling around. I'll
Do
wait.
you want me to launch again? No, that will be unfair. Let's
That's
do.
unfair, real red.
I will use my full power. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Oh, sorry if maybe we should make the camera higher. Sorry guys, we did not expect the L-Drago to actually go in the side of the stadium. We thought that it will just stay in the center. That's why the camera is just right here.
I know that, I know.
There you go.
Because it's
Hold on. Oh,
rebooted.
did you see that? I think it rebooted. By the way, the ultimate reboot is actually based on this driver. Okay, so wheel is Storm Pegasus.
Storm never
We'll just make the camera higher. Okay guys, so this is as high as we can go. We'll continue the battle now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. L-Drago! Ooh, ring out finish.
I already
Oh
won.
man, let's battle with the sparking Beyblades using this one, but not today, not today.
Not today.
Hey, come here.
Only tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, again. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Epic. I think that was a simultaneous ring out finish. Okay, again. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Wow. I think there's
Oh, ring out again. This one is really good. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey!
Oh.
But
Oh, it goes in the center and it's actually, I think it's a stamina.
let's try one
right
80
now.
degrees mode.
Oh man, this one's really good. Ooh. The Storm Pegasus is doing some flower pattern.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it's gonna win! They're both losing a lot of stamina. Oh, El-Drago on. Okay, use this one. Give it the launcher. And you can also use this string launcher. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Ring out
I'll just
finish.
use this because
Okay, can you give me Storm Pegasus?
I
Okay, let's take a bat now. Last battle. Okay. Last battle. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Let's do this! Light destruction!
Oh!
Which favorite am I using again?
Storm! Pegasus! Attack!
Like
I know this is Big Bang!
Big Bang Pegasus.
I think we're saying Storm Pegasus earlier. Forgive us.
Forgive us.
Okay. Oh, I won. Okay, give me that for a while. We'll just show it in the camera. We did not make battle with that. Let's do one. I think this is the next thing. Give me the string launcher. Ooh. No. I guess this is this spin. Still spin.
Wow. I'll make this one 80 degrees.
That's the battle.
El-Drago versus El-Drago! 3, 2, 1!
Who's gonna win? The white El-Drago or the black El-Drago? Oh!
El-Drago Ryuga!
Oh! I think the small one will win. Oh man. It's strong! Guys, it's very strong. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel. Share this one to your friends. Bye-bye!